Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the basics of the work transfer. Yes, as an introductory part we can say that a closed system and its surrounding can interact in the two ways. That is namely by work transfer and another one is heat transfer. This is a basic thing. But now we are going to see about the work transfer. The work is one of the basic modes of energy transfer. But in the mechanics, the action of a force on a moving body is identified as a work. A force is a means of transmitting an effect from one body to another. But a force itself never produces a physical effect except when coupled with a motion, and hence it is not in the form of energy. That will not be in the form of energy. An effect such as raising the weight from certain distance can be performed by using a small force through the large distance or large force through the small distance. I repeat, by using this is a kind of using a force from large distance or large force through the small distance. The product of the force and the distances are the same to accomplish the same effect. In the mechanics, the work is defined as the work is done by a force as it acts upon a body moving in the direction of the force. In mechanics we will be saying like that. But the action of the force through a distance or a torque through an angle is called as a mechanical work. This is an integrated one, since other forms of work can be identified and the product of the force and the distance moved parallel to the force is in the magnitude of mechanical work. But we can say that in thermodynamics, work transfer is considered as occurring between the system and the surroundings. Work is said to be done by the system or the sole effect of the things to the external system that can be reduced by raising of the weight. The weight may not be actually be raised, but the net effect of external to the system would be rising of the weight. Let us consider, for example, we can consider a battery in a motor. The motor is driving a fan, but the system is doing upon the work to the surrounding when the fan is replaced by a pulley and a weight. The weight may be raised with the pulley and driven by the motor. The sole on the things external to the system is rising of the weight. When the work is done by the system, it's arbitrarily taken to be a positive, and when the work is done on a system, it is taken as a negative. The symbol W is used for the work transfer. The unit of work in Newton meter or joule is 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. This is a common thing. The rate at which the work is done by or upon the system is known as a power. The unit of power is joules per second or watt. The work is one of the forms in which the system and its surroundings can interact with each other. There are various types of work transfer which can get involved between them. That's all. This is a basic introduction about the work transfer, but work transfer is a vast topic in the thermodynamics. But we can say that we can able to describe many diagrammatical representations, and the problems based upon this work transfer is in the huge amount. And many of the projects were also done in the work transfer zones. We can able to find many journal papers based upon the work transfer. But as an introduction part, the information that I have given is the thing that is for the basic information. That's all. Thank you so much.